Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start inside Gboard settings, so open any app and bring up the keyboard. Tap the gear icon or long press the comma to enter settings now. If Gboard isn't the default, go to System Languages and input Virtual Keyboard and set Gboard as default before continuing. Once done, make sure the language you want is available on your device. Some features need the System Language Pack. This gets you straight to the language options without extra setup. In Languages, tap Add Keyboard to view the list and pick the language you want. Choose the exact layout and features, like handwriting or voice input, because these affect typing behavior and predictions. Once you add it, you can reorder languages to prioritize one for quick switching or remove old ones to avoid accidental changes. This middle step configures how Gboard will behave and ensures predictive text, autocorrect, and special input methods. To finish, switch languages while typing by long pressing the spacebar or tapping the globe icon. You'll see the keyboard change layout instantly. If predictions or autocorrect don't match, make sure personalized suggestions are enabled and that the language pack is downloaded in system settings. These improve accuracy. If the new language won't appear, restart the keyboard or the app, and if needed, clear Gboard's cache. That simple troubleshooting step usually resolves lingering issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.